Hello SCIFINERS, welcome back to another episode of Durability Test. So today we are going to do the drop test of the most awaited Redmi Note 7 Pro. So without much further ado, let's get started. We are going to drop Redmi Note 7 Pro for first time. So will this survive our very first drop? Let's see. As you can see, phone is on its back. Let's check if backside glass survived or not. And wow guys, no damage at all. Let's go for second round. This time we will drop it from top side. It's in brand new condition, no damage visible again. Now this time we will drop it horizontally, so here we go. Finally it gave up. Glass is shattered and touch is acting like crazy, and you can see rainbow's colors here. I am surprised by the fact that how easily it broke so soon. I mean, we just started out our test and this thing gave up so early. We did so many tests before on other phones like Redmi Note 5 Pro, Redmi Note 6 Pro, Realme 2 Pro and Samsung M20. They survived till the end and passed our test. But Redmi Note 7 Pro failed our test, which was highly advertised for its durability. Its Indian retail unit, sometimes I doubt if this phone is really using Gorilla Glass 5 or something else. We also did the drop test of Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2, which is said to come with Gorilla Glass 6 by the company. That also disappointed us. Though at the time of testing, surface was different from what we are using now. You remember Xiaomi's commercials where they showed people jumping and stomping on this device. The smartphone was shown surviving those tests. That was aggressively marketed by Xiaomi. But reality is here and it's not like what we exactly saw in those commercials.